Scooby, Scooby, Scooby.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a stupid Scooby.
If I had a Subaru, I would ever. If I had a Subaru, I'd totally.
How you gonna transport clothes? That's a bitch.
It is. Not even. Not bad. Audi and Civic. Is that a Civic? No, it's an Accord, I think.
That is an Accord.
Yeah, it's an Accord. I can't not. I gotta get my eyes checked.
Truck versus Mustang.
Just make sure it didn't hit nobody. And I'm talking about the Mustang. Wheel spin, lost grip, but. Oh, is he gonna make it? Is he gonna Accord? Oh, damn!
15. Oh my God, the Audi. I thought that was your front for a second.
No. You're so welcome. Corvette versus Charger. I see another truck coming up. How'd it do though?
12, 14.
Okay. Is that a Mazda? Is that a Mazda? No, that's not a Mazda.
That's a Focus.
It's a, yeah. Just cruise. It's cruise night. I still see people coming up in here too.
Yep. But it's limited. If you read it, it's limited to the first 400 racers.
Yeah, first 400 racers, and then show is like first 200 cars.
You could have entered the show.
I could have.
But there's nothing like.
But coilovers.
Yeah.
I want to at least get coilovers before I even think about entering those.
ST or Kia?
No, I think it's an ST.
It's an ST and a Kia.
Yeah.
Which one?
Oh, my money's on the ST. You let me down. You really let me.
Nope.
Oh, he's got him. He's got him, actually. He's got him. Damn.
GTI or Mustang?
It depends. Who's hitting the crowd first?
Fuck up, buddy. That's out of line.
Me think the Mustang compensate too much.
Oh wow. Oh, Silverados.
Yo, that's second gear though. What happened?
Where did the others go?
I don't know. So Cadillac versus Mercedes.
I'm gonna say the Cadillac.
I might go Caddy on this one.
I'm expecting it. Mercedes.
They're better.
Expectations versus reality. The story of every drag race.
Yeah, there's still a line coming in.
Yeah. Wait, what?
There's still a line coming in.
Oh yeah, there is.
Told you.
That's a GMC. Is that a, yeah, that's a GM.
Oh, damn, yo. Mercedes.
Pontiac G6.
Oh, yeah.
Mercedes on it?
Huh? Mercedes had that, yeah.
Ah.
Only 3 seconds.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn.
Wait, what'd you do?
Them.
Wait, what? Okay.
We all know.
What do you get?
Yeah.
What time?
They're not gonna post up.
He took too long.
Yeah. That Jeep, yeah.
Yeah.
A Jeep versus a Beamer. My money's on the Beamer.
I'm gonna go to the SRT.
Just because it's a light.
You know what?
Is that an SRT?
Yeah.
So it's been smoke though.
I can't see the time.
Yeah, they didn't post it up yet.
No, yeah, they did. They're posting it. I just can't see it.
No, because they'll flash it, but then they didn't have the time on there for like two times.
I see a Saab versus. Mazda 3. Marvin?
The Subi that pulled in. What? I thought the truck.
Oh, I think the Acura won that.
No. Wow.
4.9. Yo.
The truck won. So quiet.
It is.
Someone's gonna bring a Tesla.
If somebody brings Tesla, I'm just done.
Okay. Sorry to say it. I gotta go Jeep.
You gonna go Jeep?
I gotta go Jeep because I like Jeeps. Are you cold?
No.
You damn straight you don't use.
What?
I said you know you.
Dude, I could see your fucking nips. They're like rockets.
Why are you staring at my nips? Excuse me, Steven, but I'm taken, thank you.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Just took a quick walk through the car show area. That's still filling up.
Oh my god.
Cars still coming in. I was told, and I truly believe this, that the line is backed up to Texas Road, so it's about 2 miles.
Holy
about
crap.
2.5 hours to get in.
How
Told you to come
long?
here early.
How long? How long to get in?
Texas Road. That's how
Plenty
far
of good
the.
things to eat.
So it's like 2 hours.
No, the wait's not gonna be 2 hours.
Getting in.
Yeah, it's gonna be 2 hours and 30 minutes.
Oh, probably.
Pulled pork salad.
Yay!
Cheese sticks. I'm sure you'll find something you like.
That's a rear-wheel drive CRX.
CRZ.
CRZ?
It's an old CRZ.
As
I've
in the
never heard of a
Park souvenir
CRZ.
store. Great looking t-shirts, jackets, and hats. Also racers. If your helmet has expired, if you have one of those Snell 2005 helmets, it's no longer acceptable. We've got a whole bunch of helmets in stock, great prices. I'm sure you find your way over to the Park souvenir store. Auto shop is also earlier, every car that goes down the racetrack is going to have a photo.
What happened? What I missed?
Pick them up tonight. Take them home with you.
CRZ?
The magic of digital photography.
Wow.
I don't work at Honda for nothing. It's a clutch system.
So once again, Ratchet Friday continues to baffle the drag racing world.
I'm not understanding why you don't pay attention to the fucking road.
Tremendous crowd.
I love to use text.
Yo, GTR! GTR!
Heard about FF5? FF Live? You trying to say? Yeah, new for this season, taking place at 2 different racetracks. We'll have 3 events here at Raceway Park.
They're still alive.
What's the time?
You already know.
11.
Still no 10-second cars, man. That's a shocker.
That's what I'm waiting for.
FF Live #1, that will be May 6th and 7th. And I promise you, it's going to be huge.
That shit bouncing.
Giant lifestyle event featuring drag racing, roll racing, giant car show.
Neon.